Hello everyone, welcome to the Storybird tutorial for our writing assignment. In this video, I will show you how to access Storybird to your classroom Storybird account and to start creating your first story. Now let's go to the website. Here I just type in storybird.com and the webpage will take you to the Storybird website. You will sign in to the account by clicking the tab Sign Up for Free on the top right of your screen and then choose Student icon. Choose a username and password. Here I will use story and a password. You don't want to forget your password, so just remember that. So let's click the Create Account icon on the bottom left of your screen. So now you can upload your avatar picture. I will just choose one file from my computer. Okay, here you go. Now it navigates you to the class, so we need to enter the class code. You will receive the class code from the email I just sent you. So you can also remember the code here, that is capital letters UFUMM. Remember, all these 5 letters are big letters. And then just click Join Class icon. Okay, so when you click your stuff, the tab on the top left of your screen, you will see that the story that you published recently, but for now, we haven't created any stories with this new account yet, so we don't have any stories in our stuff. Let's just click the tab plus on the top left of your screen. The assignment is what that I have already set for you in Storybird. In the class library, which are the stories that your fellow students or maybe I have made already. And from the class list, that is where you will be able to send messages or leave comments on your fellow student stories. By click on the following tab on the top left of the screen, you can see any other authors that you are following. So what we can do is just to scroll down and to see if there is a story that we like. So how about this one? We can click the follow icon and then to see if there are other stories of this author that we like. If we see any stories posted and we decide we don't want to just follow this person anymore, we can just click unfollow. Okay, so let's go back to our stuff. Your stuff here, and we can go back to our account. Let's figure out how to create a story. So now click the class tab, just click these big pictures. Here you can see the instructions that I just set up. So we can click this icon, do this assignment. You can see there are many artworks in this page. You can choose one pictures that you like, or if we had a particular idea in mind that we want to search, we could go to this here, the upper right hand corner of the screen, and tap in a search word. So I'm going to type in dream, and then I will click the magnifying glass symbol. I can see many interesting and beautiful pictures that definitely looks like about the dreams. So I think this one is cute, so I will just choose this one, this little girl with red hair. So now I can see underneath the pictures that I just chose, all of the different pictures that are in this collection. This looks like the art that I would like to use for my story. So I just click the lightning symbol in the middle of this picture and choose use this art for a picture book. So now my workspace will pop up with there is a big page in the middle and many other artworks on the side. I have a work tray at the bottom of the screen that shows me all of the pages that I'm creating and a cover for my story. So now I'm going to just create a cover for my storybook. Okay, I just choose classic, and you can see I can change color Here I will just choose this color. So now I can return to my story by going to the bottom right hand side of the screen and clicking on these blank pictures. Now you can see that Storybird just picks one picture for my story pictures, but I can choose any other ones on the sides that just choose a different one that I want. So I'll just put the picture from the side and drag it into my workspace. I can add different pictures by click on this plus icon on the bottom right hand of your screen and choose different pictures on the side. And also I can place them on the different spot on the screen. And I can also remove pages by clicking on the minus icon on the bottom left hand of your screen that the page maybe I want to delete. So I'll just remove page 2. And I can add text to my pages just by clicking on the open space and just type in animals dreams. Okay, I will add more pages. Okay, for now, if I want to save my project, I go down to the bottom left hand and click the save. I could also invent a collaborator by clicking this icon options, which means I could work with a classmate online. You can invite someone from the class list. Let's just choose Julia 1, and you can leave a message to her. Here I just type, let's write the story together. Okay, now I can click this bottom icon and just send my event. So if I want to go back to my storybook, I can just click this picture icon and it will take you to your storybook. So for now, I can go to the really left hand bottom and click on save and exit. That means I can come back and work on my story later. And if finished, you can choose to publish the story. My classwork is always private, so whether it's for an assignment or something that I just making for fun, so I just click privately, and which means your classmate and the teacher will see your storybook. And since it's for assignment, so we just choose picture, create a picture story in the assignment spot. You could add a summary for your storybook. So let's just tap people's dream and just click the publish icon on the bottom left of your screen. Okay, here you go. Here you can see your storybook that you just create. So if you have any questions about signing or how to create your storybook, just let me know. And I'm looking forward to seeing your first story.